first thing, you got to open the glove box here. Once your glove box is open, you're going to have one screw right here. Just undo that screw. And then now you can disconnect this little latch right here. All right, now at this point, squeeze both sides of your glove box in like that, and it's going to be able to drop all the way down. Once you have this tab right here squeezed in and pulled down, you can just take the whole glove box off of these little mounts down here. All right, now looking behind the glove box, you have this door right here that you got to take off. That tab here, squeeze that in and pull it. And the tab right here, squeeze that in and pull it. And now this comes off. Now you have access to your old air filter, which has all kind of dirt in it. Especially if you live in somewhere where you got allergies, or if you got pets or something, a dirt road, anything like that, you're gonna want to change these every 15,000 miles or so. You can see the airflow on this one, it goes towards this direction, so that's where all this dirt, leaves, and everything is getting caught. See, on this other side it's a little bit cleaner. You can still see all the dirt right there. This is all the stuff that's keeping you from breathing in. So take your new one. This one is charcoal activated to help with some filtration. Pay attention to the airflow sign right here. So again, the airflow is down. You want to slide it in just like this. Now all you gotta do, slide this new one right in. Airflow is pointing down. Grab your protective door, click it in on one side and then on the other, and then put the glove box back in. Now come back over here, put your little lever back over its circle, and then put that screw back in there. And that's all there is to it. Now you got a new air filter in your car.